not to be? I definitely love to be. I love honey. My family loves honey. We have it in tea, we have it on toast. My kids even have it on their muesli every morning. So we know that honey tastes great, but did you know that honey is also incredibly good for us too? I guess we've all heard of hot water, lemon and honey when we've got a cold, but the healing powers of honey run a lot deeper than just soothing a sore throat. Honeybees have been on the planet for longer than humans, and for thousands of years we have sought out the sweet delights of their natural nectar. It dates back to ancient Egypt, where archaeologists have found airtight containers of honey in tombs, surprisingly still edible because of its amazing preservative qualities. Okay, so Ben, how come I'm dressed like this and you're not? Do I really need to be in this?
Yes, you do. You do indeed, because things are about to get real.
One man who knows more about bees and honey than most is Dr. Ben Mckee, a fifth-generation beekeeper and managing director of Capilano Honey.
There would be about 80,000 individuals in this hive. This is quite a good hive, and I can show you some nice kept honey that they've got right here. From a young age, I've been around bees and just love being outside and working with an amazing insect. It's very powerful to watch them grow and produce honey. If we don't have bees, you know, it's actually going to influence our lives because of the food that they pollinate. Crops like fruit and vegetables, almonds, all that type of thing is totally reliant on bees.
So, besides the amazing honey they provide, bees are effectively keeping the planet alive. Incredibly, 1/3 of all the world's food relies on bees for the job of pollination. With pollination comes honey, and with our rich diversity of flowers, Aussie bees provide an equally diverse range of honeys, in particular from our many eucalypt species.
And all of their honeys from that particular plant taste differently. Different colour, different texture. Some of them have different characteristic moisture contents. It's like a wine, really.
Although the different flavours are great, it's the health-giving properties of honey that are really capturing attention. In particular, Manuka honey has been researched by the honey industry for the last 2 decades.
And we realise there's these very specific qualities in honey, like flavonoids, antioxidants and antibacterial properties. And over time since then, we've just been unravelling more and more of the amazing properties of honey.
Manuka honey is known as nature's superfood and is only produced in Australia and New Zealand, where Manuka or leptospermum plants are found. Containing a natural active agent called methylglyoxal, Manuka honey comes in different rating or strengths and has been found to have antibacterial properties. The higher the rating, the more antibacterial it is. Manuka honey is great for a sore throat. It treats skin infections and also promotes wound healing. Current research is investigating how Manuka honey can help fight superbugs that are resistant to existing antibiotics. And the latest development in the health benefits of honey is prebiotic honey. Now, what's the difference between probiotics and prebiotics? Well, I'm glad you asked. In very basic terms, probiotics, which I'm a huge fan of, put the good bacteria back into our systems, while prebiotics actually feed that existing good bacteria. So how does this play into the already superpowers of honey? Well, I'm going to find out. Research scientist Niral Chochitan studies the medical benefits of honey.
There's lots of different medicinal properties that we know honey has, and it's been documented throughout history. We just haven't always understood the science, but now the science is starting to catch up.
So tell me about prebiotic honey.
So prebiotics are a type of food. They're a complex sugar or a complex carbohydrate that we don't digest ourselves, and that means that it reaches the lower gut where it can be used as a food source by the billions of bacteria that we have living inside our gut. And those good bacteria help us do a whole range of different things. They help us digest our food, they make essential vitamins, they can remove toxins from our body, and they also help us to metabolize drugs to make sure that the drugs will work when we take them. It's pretty easy. I think a spoonful of honey to give you a prebiotic hit is a sweet way to go.
So whether it's the natural healing properties found in Manuka or the digestive health boost that comes in prebiotic honey, or you simply just love the taste, you can rest assured that Mother Nature's little pot of gold is actually doing you good. The next time you see one of those little buzzing bees flying along, make sure you say, "Thanks, little guy."